Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, we had covered the traditional AI, and today we would be covering the generative AI. So we will start with the definition. What do you mean by generative AI? Generative AI creates entirely new content by learning patterns from massive data sets and generating original outputs, which includes text, images, audio, and code that never existed before. So it is taking input from you, and based on the input which is received, it takes data from various web sources and then create these outputs. So there are basically two pointers which we will discuss. One, the creative generation. It produces a novel content rather than just analyzing existing data, which is different, which is actually defining it different from the traditional AI. Second, it has a pattern learning also. It is evolving on day-to-day basis. Whenever you are giving some input on that, once it generates one data, it learns from that and goes to the next level. So it learns styles and structures from extensive training data sets. Going to the next slides, we will be covering some examples of generative AI. Like we have ChatGPT, they are Gemini and Copilot also, which actually do a creative writing and storytelling. It does also help us with the email and documentation part and code assistance also. We also have some of the tools like DALI and Midjourney, which helps us with the visual creation of data like digital art and illustration, product concept visualization, and the marketing graphic designs. Then we have specific tools which is used for code generation like GitHub Pilot, which give us real-time implementation codes also, functional data also, and documentation support also. So these were the examples of generative AI, and we have various new tools which has been launched into market, which is given us more support into the text as well as the visual creation and code generation. We would be covering the agentic AI part in our next video. Thank you for today.